Come on with me.
She's going to interview you, Tom. Put you on the 6 o'clock news.
You do the question.
Like that.
You do the interview.
Having a good crowd here, ain't you, Tom?
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah. Really nice here.
Good weather, lots of people.
Yeah, a lot of cars.
A lot of nice people.
Yeah, having a good time at it, man.
Yeah, real nice.
Also not
We ate breakfast.
Roosters. Number 535. Number 535. If that's your number on your yellow ticket, you have one. And from Vickery Creek Elementary, got a 7-piece tool set. Number 599. 599. And we've got a steering wheel cover donated by Vaughn Trim. That number is 577. 577.
Let's see if we can get some change.
All right, we've got lots more as far as door prizes go. So if you haven't won something, stay close by, and I'm sure you will before long, that's for sure. Also, don't forget to go get you something to eat down there. All the proceeds going to Forsyth County School Food Service Relay for Life Car Show.
up there and get Jeff Shaw and then right up here. Right around the corner here. Go up there and say, hey Jeff, how y'all doing? Enjoying the car show?
You say something and then I'll record it.
She's gonna put y'all on the news now. Okay. How y'all doing, Jeff? Everybody good? Enjoying the car show? Good deal, man. Yesterday she was off going to daycare. But, hey y'all.
Got one arm there, the other on the door. Friday afternoon, but it's only 4. But in my mind, it's been way past 5 for a while. That cute bartender always knows what I'm thinking, knows how I like it, knows what I'm drinking. I'll be grinning ear to ear with a margarita smile. So squeeze my line, suck my rib, shake one up. I'm going to hurt. It's close, right?
Yeah.
I like it. Leave your